In this video, we'll demonstrate how to recover old WhatsApp messages. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to retrieve your lost WhatsApp chats. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you've ever accidentally skipped the Restore WhatsApp Data and Chats button while setting up WhatsApp on a new phone, or after resetting your device to factory settings, don't worry. You can still recover those important messages, photos, and videos. Method 1. Recover WhatsApp chats by iCloud. Before we get started, make sure you have the same Apple ID and phone number as your old WhatsApp account. Ensure you have enough space on your iPhone for the WhatsApp data. Here's what you need to do. Uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the App Store. Enter your phone number, same as the old one. Click Restore Chat to retrieve your chat history from iCloud. Method 2. Recover WhatsApp chats using Google Drive, Android. For Android users, make sure you're signed into your Google account with the same phone number used on your old WhatsApp. Follow these steps. Uninstall WhatsApp from your Android device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Fill out your contact information and confirm your account details. Select the Restore button when prompted to restore your chat and media. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. And remember, you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.